Hey, boys and girls, this is 115-1A, the work. I just wanted to show you that you have these subtraction facts to do for part of your homework tonight. And we are going to do this sheet together since we just worked on these today. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 2 is 16. And 9 times 2 is 18. All right, let's look down here. So which one equals 8? Blank times 2 would be 4. What equals 18? 9. What equals 2? Up here, you can look up here. Sorry, that's kind of blurry. Is 1. Blank times 2 equals 14. 7. Blank times 2 equals 6. And it would be 3. Alright, let's do some matching. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 2 is 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 0 times 2 is 0. 9 times 2 is 18. 2 times 2 is 4. 7 times 2 is 14. And 4 times 2 is 8. Alright. This lesson worksheet, don't worry about it. You don't need to do anything with that. Alright. Let's go ahead and get our ruler out. You are going to draw an 8 centimeter line segment for your name. Please don't forget your name. Date is 6 centimeters. Number 1. The children were walking in pairs. George counted 8 pairs of children. Draw X's to show the children. So if we have 8 pairs, we have 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so I need to show X's in a pair is 2. So how many children is that? Well, if we count by 2s, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So the multiplication problem you could have used for that one. 8 groups times 2 in each. Here we go. We have a children's favorite sports bar graph. How many children chose skating? Well, we know it's going up by 2s. And what is between 6 and 8? 7. It says, color the graph to show that 4 children chose skiing. Okay, 4. Here we go. How many more children chose biking than skiing? Well, biking was 10, skiing was 4, and they want to know how many more. How many more is just like how much more. So we have to subtract 10 minus 4 is 6 children. Show 7:42 on the clock. 7, my hour hand, 42. Hopefully you'll know that 40 goes to the 8, and then 2, and that would be 748. How much money is this? Quarter, 25, dime, 10, nickel, 5, nickel, 5, 25, 35, 40, 25, 35, 40, 45. 45 cents. Complete the number pattern. 705, 704, 703. That looks like it's going down by ones. 702, 701, 700. Uh-oh, now I need to think what comes before 700. Well, my hundreds is going to change. Well, they're all going to change. 699, 698. All right, so here we have 425, 435, 445. To me, it looks like the tens place value is changing. 445, so then it would be 455, 465, and 475. Now I need to go backwards. 425, 415, 405. Woohoo! Now I have to go down to 395. That one was tricky. 7 times 2, 7 plus 7, 14. 9 times 2, think about 9 plus 8, 9 plus 9, 18. 8 times 5, okay, think about counting on the clock. 40. 5 times 2, 10. Now we have to do some subtraction. 0 minus 3, there's more on the floor. Go next door, borrow 10 more. 8 becomes a 7, 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5, 57. 742 plus 138. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1, bring down the 0. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 880. All right. You have 115B for homework. And you have 115B, the subtraction facts. Have a great day, second graders, and we will see you later.